Hi guys, so in the spirit of the celebration, I'm going to be showing you how I made this wine dispensing bottle of cake. Yes, you can see this is all cake and it has a drink pouring out of it. I can even eat my cake and have it. Yeah! Okay, so let's start. So for this, I needed a straw board, a pipe, and then my electric glue. You can see I already measured the length of the pipe that I needed. I already cut out the base of the wine bottle with a straw board, and I have fixed it together with the edible glue. So I wrapped it up in a foil so that my cake will not have direct contact with the pipe. So this is me cutting out the cakes in the shape that I want. The size of the bottle I already measured, so that it will be the same size, the same exact size with the base. That's the straw board that I cut under. So I'm going to be fixing the cakes now. Although I punched the center of the cakes with a piping tip. You know this big rosette piping tip? Yes, the base. That was what I used to make holes in the middle of the cakes. So I'm just going to be trimming the cakes now so that the body can be smooth and all the cakes can be of the same size. I'm trying to get the neck of the wine bottle, as you can see. I'm just trying to carve a little, not much, just so that I can get that curve at the neck of the bottle. So the next thing now is for me to crumb coat this cake before I begin to cover with fondant. I already did that, as you can see. So now I'm going to be covering it up with my fondant. This was quite easy to do. So the next stage is the part where I'll be fixing the neck of the wine bottle. You don't have to bother about that border showing between the neck and the other part. I'm going to be covering it up with royal icing. So I just covered the remaining part of the pipe, just so it looks like the neck of the bottle. And then next I'm applying my royal icing to the cake. This is going to help me get, you saw that rough effect that the cake had, and that rough effect was royal icing I used. So this is just going to help me get that effect. Can you see that the neck part of this cake is already covered up? You won't even see where the fondant on the neck of the bottle is joining. So I'll just let this dry up a bit, not too much, just a bit, so that I can still be able to get what I want. So now I'm using a kebab stick to draw irregular lines on the body of the cake. After which I'll begin to place my molds on the body of the cakes. I'll just place them randomly. Oh, NEPA! That is done, and then the next stage is where I spray my black color on the cake. Now, what did I mix to get this black color? I just mixed my black color and water. Just black color and water. That was what I used. I'm done spraying. The next stage is to shine it with good luster dust. I did not dip this luster dust in spirit. I just used it like in the powdery form like that. I just shined it randomly, not for it to cover completely. Just randomly. You can see the effect that I already gave, and it's looking so beautiful already. That done, let's move over to where the magic happens, the drink. I poured it directly into that pipe that I fixed in the center. You see that pipe was a very thin pipe, very slim pipe in the middle. So I can cut this cake as deep as I want to, and people will not even still be able to decipher what I did here. Yes, the drink is not having contact with the cake because it's directly inside the pipe, and it's not having contact with the straw board because I put a film, like a nylon film, at the base before I glued it to that straw board. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.